Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but all of the downloads in the Google Play Store are stuck on a pending in NOKIA XR21. And to do this, first let's launch our Google Play Store and here try to download any app. And as you can see, it's stuck on a pending. We can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. What we need to do is to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and enter system. Here select date and time and enable set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same app, now it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.